Hello YouTube, it's been a while since I've done a video. I want to introduce you to my 24 Road Glide. I'm absolutely loving this bike. I'm going to go over some of the upgrades I've done since I've got it and what I like and don't like about them. But so far I haven't picked a bad product. And I got the Zero 3D big ass cup. Works good for holding your Dr. Pepper, your water bottle going down the road. I had that on my 2820 Road Glide. Worked great. I still got to get one for the back seat for my wife. I've installed OEM floorboards. Can't beat the price. I mean, it's $165 for a set. Just standard OEM Harley floorboards. What's great about it is I was able to move my foot pegs off the back and use them as highway pegs, and I used the OEM short angle mounts for the crash guards. I was afraid with aftermarket cheap aluminum mounts that I would watch several videos where they would strip out, and I was afraid that going down the road it would fail. Your feet on the peg, shoot apart down the road through somebody's window, or take out another biker. It was just not worth it. So I decided to get factory OEM parts for that. I did, however, buy the HOGWORKZ rear saddlebag guards. Absolutely love them. I got the HOGWORKZ tour pack, the HOGWORKZ docking hardware, and a Klockworks windshield. The windshield was my first upgrade because the stock windshield, I don't even, it was for looks only. 30 mile an hour, could not hear the stereo. With the Klockworks, at least I can hear the stereo, and it keeps most of the wind off. I got the 12-inch Pro Touring, and in a future upgrade I might get the Mustang seats, and I may have to get the 13-inch Pro Touring. I don't know, it just depends on where the wind hits. Right now it hits me right above the brow line. So I've got the HOGWORKZ liners for the saddlebag and the tour pack. Absolutely recommend them. They're great quality. Keeps your stuff organized. I couldn't beat that. I do have a surprise. So I have the Tab 4.5 BAM sticks. They just came in on UPS with the zombie baffles. They're fixing to go on the bike. So at least we won't sound like a sewing machine or a Honda going down the road. I ordered those from DK Customs, and I'm still waiting on the Thunder Torque inserts that I ordered just in case I didn't quite like the tone and wanted a little deeper rumble, and we'll see. I plan on doing a sound clip at the end of this video of stock versus the zombie baffles, and then the Thunder Torque inserts. Thunder Torque inserts will be probably on a different day because they did not come in. Should be here tomorrow, but anyway, I'm not going to waste your time with a install video of exhaust or slip-ons. As you may, I've watched 100 videos trying to make up my mind what mufflers to get or what slip-ons to get. So my brother and I, we rode to Fort Worth Harley Davidson yesterday. I had made an appointment to get the recall done for the wiring harness. I'm pretty sure you've got a notice if you've got a 24 model. Anyway, we headed out at 7 a.m. Time we got halfway there, cold front came in. And I have never been that cold in my life on a motorcycle, and I've ridden in some cold weather. But we had a lot of humidity and probably a 35, 40 mile an hour wind. Plus you're going 70 down the road. I was froze. But luckily Fort Worth Harley Davidson had some coffee. And I'm not a coffee drinker, but I really enjoyed the coffee that day. Okay, we're gonna try this again. The neighbor had his noisy diesel pickup running. Anyway, I'm gonna do the stock sound on the 24, 117, stock head pipes, stock exhaust, nothing new. I'm gonna do a sound comparison. This is the before, and then we'll do the zombie baffle. Actually, it doesn't sound too bad when it's just sitting there. I hope the sound will be better. Okay, so the worst part of the install is basically lining everything up. If you can't get it lined up, it'll drive you crazy. And I may have still carried that to my brother's and put it on his center stand jack it up and measure, but I got as close as I could. I wasn't sitting on the angle. Anyway, here we go for a cold start. Sounds like a friggin' Harley, buddy. Whoo! I like it. I think I gotta go take it for a little test ride. Okay, well, I'm gonna do a little sound test and we're driving away and coming back. That's awesome. I'm trying to figure out another way of getting a onboard setup for my GoPro. I do have 2 GoPros and we'll see what happens. I wish Harley would have put an external USB port besides the one that you use your phone to charge. That's one of my gripes. Thank you. Thank you for watching.